Mahindra has announced a price hike of up to 1.9% across its personal and commercial vehicle range with effect from the 8th of January 2021. As a result, prices for Mahindra vehicles will go up between 4,500 rupees and 40,000 rupees depending on the model and variant. The price increase was necessary due to unprecedented increase in commodity prices and various other input costs over the past few months, the automaker said in a statement. In case of the new Thar though, the current price will remain applicable for all bookings done between December 1, 2020 and January 7, 2021. All fresh bookings with effect from 8th of January 2021 will have prices as applicable on the date of delivery. BMW India will begin pre-launch bookings for the upcoming 3 Series Grand Limousine on the 11th of January 2021 in the country. Buyers looking to book the 2021 BMW 3 Series Grand Limousine can do so online on the company's website for a token amount of 50,000 rupees. In addition, the early bird customers will also get a complimentary BMW Comfort package worth 1 lakh rupees that comprises an iPad, iPad holder and coat hanger. Compared to the standard version, the 3 Series Grand Limousine gets a longer wheelbase stretched by 110mm and will get the longest wheelbase in its class. The car will be offered with petrol and diesel engine options and will come with LED headlights, a panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, multi-zone climate control, BMW iDrive with Apple CarPlay and lots more. The new 3 Series Grand Limousine is scheduled to be launched in India on the 21st of January 2021. Indian riders CS Santosh and Ashish Rao have had to make premature exits from the 2021 Dakar Rally in separate crashes. Hero Motorsports team rally rider CS Santosh crashed during the 4th stage and hit his head. He was airlifted to the hospital and is currently placed in an induced coma. The rider has a dislocated right shoulder and head trauma, and the minimum movements will aid in his recovery. Meanwhile, privateer Ashish Rao crashed out following a nasty fall during stage 5. The rider was thrown off the bike and hit his head in the process, but managed to get back on in an attempt to complete the stage. However, the rider had to call for help owing to safety reasons, ending his Dakar dream. Rao was the only Indian rider to participate in the Mahle Moto class this year that sees riders compete completely unassisted. With the exit of both the Indian riders, Harit Noah is the only Indian to compete in the remaining stages of the 2021 Dakar.
Everything that's hot, new, exciting and relevant for you from the automobile world is on our Car and Bike channel. Don't forget to subscribe.